Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing both ends. Make sure your laptop and the display support the same casting method: Miracast, AirPlay, Chromecast, or a direct HDMI cable. Once done, connect both devices to the same Wi-Fi network or set one to hotspot mode when necessary. Make sure you update display drivers and enable projection or AirPlay on the target device. This avoids handshake errors. Finally, open the laptop's display settings so you're ready to initiate the connection immediately. You now initiate the cast. On Windows, open Action Center and click Project. On Mac OS, use Control Center and choose Screen Mirroring. For Chrome, use Cast from the browser. Select the target device and pick Duplicate, Extend, or Share tab depending on your goal. Make sure to set the correct audio output to the receiving device and adjust resolution and scaling. Choose 16:9 or native resolution to avoid stretching. If latency matters, reduce resolution or switch to a wired HDMI connection for stability. You finish by confirming everything is active. Check audio and video sync and make sure the external display is set to the correct input. Once connected, test a short video to verify performance. If the cast drops or quality is poor, restart Wi-Fi on both devices, relaunch the casting app, or toggle Bluetooth for Miracast. One key troubleshooting tip: if wireless casting fails repeatedly, plug an HDMI cable to rule out network issues. Wired connections are simpler and more reliable for presentations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.